Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on or off screensaver on Samsung Galaxy A27. If you are actually planning on enabling the actual screensaver, I'll show you that first, but later on I'll show you always on display, which is a different feature which you might have meant when looking up this video. The first thing is going to be the actual screensaver, and to do it you'll need to go to the display settings, then go to screensaver, and now you can select which kind of screensaver you like. It's colors, it's device control. I don't even know what device control is, to be honest. I haven't used it, so maybe I'll try it. And now let's do preview. So first I'll just see what it looks like. Oh, okay, I can just add my smart home devices here. Okay, I'll disable that. But I can also do colors, I can do photos. I'll do colors. You can see then it'll look basically like that. They will be shuffling, changing. And it only works if your screen is off, if it turns off automatically while your phone is charging. So I'll plug it into charging, and yeah, as I said, it only works if the screen turns off automatically. So I'll put it on lock screen because that way it'll just take less time to turn off automatically. And now you'll notice that in a moment the screen will turn off and it goes into the screensaver. But if I put it in it manually like that, when I lock the screen, it doesn't show up. So this is the thing, but there's a high chance you were actually looking for always on display, which is a different feature. And the always on display feature unfortunately isn't available on this phone in the settings. You can technically turn it on with an app. I wouldn't recommend it unless you really need it, because well, doing it with an app isn't any perfect. It's pretty far from perfect. But when I search for always on display, I remember I used to use this app, so I'll download this one. And it's just going to display your clock on the screen even if your screen is off. But yeah, we'll need to give it a permission to draw over other apps. So I'll need to allow it here, go back, then go to AOD and select a style that you like. I like this one. I'll apply it. You can edit it as well. And now when I lock my screen, it will display this, which is my always on display. And when I tap on the screen twice, it will go to the phone. So that's how it works. And if you would like to disable it, you can basically go to the app, and yeah, I'm not sure that you can disable it. You can just uninstall the app if you'd like to disable it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.